that drop. Chin up. Let it go. Good. Good. That left shoulder, chin up. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. We're sneaking in a quick filming between other patients, so we didn't shut down the office today. Okay, yeah, we're gonna work on your pelvis too. And how tall are you? 5'11"?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's a good height. There we go. Let's put a little motion into this first. Let's see, what's new? You just graduated, right?
Mm-hmm.
With your bachelor's?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And economics.
Economics. And you're going to go on and do master's right away?
I'll be starting my master's of science and finance.
Science and finance. That's it. Yes, you're holding yourself up a little bit. Yeah, Abby's super impressive. She went to Junior Worlds, right?
Mm-hmm.
You made the Junior World team. Where was that last year?
So I made the junior national travel team for USA shooting, and I traveled to Porpetto, Italy, and Lima, Peru last year.
Yeah, I thought it was Peru. So cool.
For the Junior World Cup and then the Junior World Championships.
That's so cool. And you're on a little bit of a break right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just getting a mental break, which is important. Good. All right, you're carrying a lot right in here. We're going to work on that a little bit before I adjust you, okay? So, let me see. Yeah, last time we did this, we got a little bit of, oh yeah, we're getting red right away. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let me do a little bit down here. I've got a little handheld massage gun Bob and Brad. It's one of my favorite things, so you wait till you feel this.
Oh, it's really quiet.
But not bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the chronic area here. Work on a lot. Yeah, a little more tension. I didn't mean to neglect the left side. I just know the right side is way tighter. And that's it. All right, girl. Let's get things moving. Good. Oh, there, not straight. Okay, nice big breath for me here. And let it out. Okay, do another one. Big breath. Let's try a little higher. And out. Let it go. Good. Scoot down towards your feet just a little bit. That's it. One more breath in. And let it out. Good. Little baby one. Yeah, good. So the whole right side of your body is higher. So I'm gonna just use your hip. Nice deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Okay. Lift your right leg up to the ceiling and down. Okay, now do the left leg. Did either side feel harder or heavier?
Not really.
Okay, they both about the same. Yeah. But this right side feels more stuck, so we're gonna work on that.
I know when I'm working out, I always have almost trouble with this side in my hip
In the hip, okay.
and like opening my hips, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Well, let's check the hips. Which movements do you have trouble with on that left side?
Usually squatting
Mm-hmm.
and
I should have checked that. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this hip right here. Well, we'll check it after and see if it feels any different than what you remember. Good. Okay, so, all right, let's work on the lower back. I'm going to have you, did I hook this up? It's so pretty. Lie on this side, face me. What is trap when they do pull, or is that skeet?
Well, both of them you say pull when you call a target, but trap would be the outgoing birds, so there's a bunker in front of you,
Mm-hmm.
and essentially when you call for the target, it leaves from that bunker like,
Okay.
on different angles.
Got it. Okay. Okay. So drop that shoulder back. Get that opened up. Yeah. Perfect. Let's go the other way. And skeet is, you say pull, and then what do you do?
So there's two houses on the right and left of the field. There's a high house and a low house, so two traps. And you'll get different pairs, so they have it set, the rhythm or the sequence. But you'll get like a single high house, a single low house, or a double pair.
Sounds difficult. Breathe in and let that open all the way up. Perfect. Good. Okay, go on their back. Got a couple more ribs in there too. Maybe one of these videos I should do my hair in like a braid like that, a double braid. Maybe. Did you do it yourself?
Yeah. I've been trying to learn how to do new styles.
Oh. Okay, you're gonna bring your ear to your shoulder. Let that drop. Chin up. Okay, good. Yeah, that's that right side always a lot. We get released. That's it, I got you. Relax. Go drop that left shoulder, chin up. Yep. Perfect. Okay, just make sure your feet are good. There's my grip. Perfect. All right, so you said, what did I adjust on? It was the left hip. Let's just double check that here, okay? So we're gonna just, any pinching or pulling as I do that? As I go across the middle? Right there. So, let's do a little more work on that. Mm-hmm. Fabulous. Go a little further, a little less pinchy. Let's see how it works with the squat. Just stand up for me, hon. So I've got a squat ramp I want you to use. Oh. Have you ever used one of these?
No.
So you're going to put your feet here, face that way.
This way?
Yep. No, come out close up all the way. Feet all the way on the ramp. Yeah, it's a little bit. And now you're going to be even taller. Perfect. Okay, so let's see how that squat feels now.
Yeah, it feels, I can get a lot more mobility at the bottom.
Okay, let's go down and stay down. I want to have you sit in it just for a second. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I can feel it better in my left.
Nice. Good. So I wish we checked it before, but since you said that during your workout, you feel that on the left side. Well, just remind me when you come in. We'll keep working on the hip, and we'll keep working, obviously, on this upper part. But how's that feel now?
Better.
You're only slightly red. Good. Feet together. Let me just double check your balance.
Slather on the arnica gel, like you said.
Hold this up. Okay, good. Let's check this. Look to the right. Look to the left. Feel how that's a little more wobbly, so we're gonna secure that. Turn, look to the left. Yep, you're good, right? Like that. Mm-hmm. All right, now look left and hold. Feel that? Mm-hmm. Much better, right? Ear down to your, yes. And then go the other way. Any pinching with either of those. Feel that? Did you feel pinching?
No pinching.
Okay, but we're gonna make this stronger here. And here, and here. Tip to the left. Other way. Hold it up. Yeah, good. Now look up. And look down. Well, maybe we'll have to have your dad on sometime. Look down.
Yeah.
He'd be hilarious. I'd love to. He's the original one I had to stand on the table and adjust him.
He'd be excited, I'll tell him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. All right. Well, you look great. I think that's a good tune-up for today.
Thank you.
You can keep going. Have a good rest time. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll wish Abby luck as she goes into the next season, right? Mm-hmm. Okay? And we'll see you soon.